Hello. Nice to see you. What's your name?
My name is Nancy.
And how old are you?
6 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And which class are you in?
I'm in class B.
How do you feel?
I'm happy.
And which color do you like?
I like pink.
Nice choice. Tell me about your family. Is it big or is it small?
Big family.
How many people?
There are 5 people.
5 people?
Yes.
In my family.
In my family.
Okay, who are they? They are?
Grandmother, father, mother, brother, and me.
How is your mother?
The mother is cool.
And how is your brother?
The brother.
Do you love your family?
Yes.
Okay. Pick a number. Number 2? Okay, let's start with number 2. What is number 3? Okay, where is the rock?
The rock is in the river.
Okay, and what color is the rock?
The rock is white.
What's number 4?
River.
Okay, how is the river? Okay, what's number 5? What color is it? And where is it? Okay, what's number 2? Number 2 is the moon. Okay, where is the moon? And what color is the moon? Okay, right on. Let's move on from there to our bag. Okay, tell me, what do you have inside your bag? What's this? Okay, what color is it? It's pink. It's pink. And orange. Okay, I'll go with that. What's this? You say, I have an eraser. I have a paper. I have a pen. And last one. What color is the crayon? And how many pencils do you have? One pencil.
One pencil.
Okay, high five. Thank you very much.